Gold traded with modest bearishness for the day, and it appears it's been a trend that the Asia and Europe session brings a slight bearishness and the US session again taking the prices on high. Can we expect this trend to continue? Can we expect the rise here with the US session, or the bears are back and we are looking forward to a drop here? Likewise with silver, since silver traded with moderate bullishness, we have seen it moving all the way towards 3340 levels. So now what is going to be our strategy in order to profit trading gold and silver with the US session? We're going to see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the second update for the day, and this is the only channel to give you two updates a day with detailed analysis and logical levels. Subscribe, press the bell icon to get the notifications. Do like, share and comment. Your every like, comment and share is a great motivation for me to deliver consistently. Join the free Telegram channel for live market updates. You can also join the channel memberships here and support the effort. And yes, you can also support by sharing the super thanks here. Let's start. First, you look into gold, followed with silver. Postal. On the hourly charts, if you look at gold, see lower highs are seen, possibly lower lows can also be seen here. Yes, this might try to take the prices higher. Where are the lows? 30 to 50 levels. But right now, I can see a bit of support coming in at around 33.10, 33.8 zone. Earlier in the day, I have asked you to sell at 33.22 and possibly look at 33.1008 as the first support zone. It is struggling at the same zone, and now if you see the price is trading below 3304, you can take a sell. 3304, 3300 is the first support levels, 3290, 3288 the second, and 3280 the third. Below 3280 is where we can say now the bears are taking the charge. Right now I can also see the moving averages offering a good resistance here. 3320, 3326 offering it a good resistance here on the upside. So till 3326 we should not be taking a buying position here in gold. Stochastic comfortable, the MACD crossing over here and trading with divergence, trading bearish here. RSI running flat, not indicating much here. On the 2 hour charts, and on the 2 hour charts, one point you should note, series of bearishness here. Then it has tried to bounce back, then a pullback, then again trying to bounce back here. Also notice it is delivering higher lows, and thus it is very important for us to wait for it to prices to drop below 3304, 3300 levels. Now see, it could try to trade in this retracement channel before taking a dump, and that is why I confirm 33 20 22, 33 26, 33 30 32 and 3340. This complete zone is going to offer a maximum resistance for gold for any upside move here. The stochastic at bottom, the MACD is trying to converge, it is not yet crossed over. The RSI is running flat. On the 3 hour, similar observation here on the 3 hour charts. Only concerning point which I have here is, see, this is the support which it has taken. Then it was aspiring to move towards the double top, but what has happened, it has moved or reversed from the lower highs here. So I'm just wondering if it is willing to deliver a lower lows here. Lower lows means a possible move towards 3250. So now the current candle is going to be important, because if it breaks out here below 3304, 3300 levels, we are looking forward to a good drop. 3290, 3280, 3270 levels should be there on the charts, and then in fact we can expect it to move towards 3250. But right now I will say it is not yet showing a confirmed breakout move here. The stochastic has dropped, the MACD almost flat after the bullish crossover. It is not divergent, neither it is crossing over for sell. The RSI is running flat, and on the 4 hour charts, when you look, see on the 4 hour charts, the squeeze here is between the 20 and 50 period moving average. Higher lows here, higher highs here, moderate highs rather I should say, and this confirms at least till towards 3330, 32 and 3340. You should be careful with the buys here, and once it trades beyond 3330, 32, we can expect 3340 or in fact 3350, 3370 levels. Now 3370, these are the levels where we have seen it forming the highs. So now if it breaks out, it might deliver the highs at 3370. Stochastic has dropped here, the MACD almost flat, the RSI almost flat. Coming to daily, now look at daily charts. See, on the daily charts you can see it is forming a nice support here, and none of the candles closing below 3300. That is first part, and you can see these three tails here on the downside. This suggests the support on the downside is pretty strong, and thus gold has to come out of this zone in order to give you a breakout move, the move which might take it all the way towards 3200. Right now I can see a struggle around this zone, and this zone is getting critical. Now what's happening here, you can see red green, and now with the support here it is trying to bounce back. I will definitely watch out for any move which can take the prices above 3340, 42. Then 3360 should appear, then 3370 should also appear. And if these levels are taken, mind it, it is going to be a reversal here. It is going to be a swift rise 85, 88 should be there, 3400 could be there, and in fact higher levels could be seen. Though I'm not in favor of this, because see, drop, sideways movement, and if it breaks out, this is the candle it might deliver. And see, there is a divergence also from the 20 period, thus it can keep moving all the way towards 32, 50, 40 or lower levels. Stochastic at bottom, and see the MACD is also in sync with what we had seen here. It is also delivering just second red candle here after the crossover, and see the divergence here. This suggests that the bearishness should continue, and this suggests that the candle is going to remain in red, and thus you should focus on a breakout below 3304, 3300 levels. RSI running flat. So now we have seen the charts and indicators. Time for me to give you the levels. And before I provide you the levels, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. And if you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Connect with me, write an email, ping me or Telegram for your queries. Remember, this is the 32nd batch starting on 5th of May. Only limited seats are available. Do not miss this opportunity. We are opening this batch after a short break which we had taken for this mentorship batch. This is the 32nd batch also. So do not miss to join. And those who are looking forward to a broker which offers you a swap-free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions and easier withdrawals from across the globe, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. Now first is where to buy. I will recommend you to buy at 3318 levels itself and expect it to move towards 3322, 3326 and 333032. Now these are very nearby resistances. You might get 40 pips here and more, but then you have to exercise a bit of caution. Once it trades beyond 3332, you can expect 3340 levels, and any move beyond 3340 is a confirmation that we are in fact expecting it to break beyond 3360, 3370, and in fact 3385, 88 is possible. So watch out for the breakout here. If it gives you a breakout on the upside, it could bring a stronger movement. But right now I will say it is I am not in favor of this, though these are markets. It has seen 3500. I was not in favor of that as well. However, it has seen that, though it has shown a pullback, but yes, 3500 is there, and hence you have to watch out and trade as per the levels. On the downside, I will recommend a sell at 3308, expect 3304, 3300, 3295, 3290. Till 3290, very strong support levels. Below 3290, 3280, 3270, and below 3270, this time we can expect it to move towards 3254 and then 3242 levels. Below 3242, stay short for a possible move towards 3218 and 3200 levels as well. Take your trades and positions accordingly. Let's move to silver. Silver on the hourly charts, you can see the top here at 3370. Then this decline, it has erased all the gains from this candle. See, this was a sharp bullish candle all the way from 3280. Now 3280, the same level, has offered a very good support. What has happened since then? You can see the incline here. It is trading in this channel, and now it is very important for silver to trade below 3280, and till 3350, 3370 we should be careful with the buys here. Only above 3370 you can say now the bulls are back. Moving average is crossed over, trading with divergence and bullishness. Stochastic here is overbought. The MACD is divergent. MACD is bullish looking upwards. The RSI is rising as well. Coming to 2 hour chart. On the 2 hour chart, see what has happened. We have seen two strong bullish candles. Now this could become a reversal sign, and thus at least till 3340 we should not be treating this as bullish. And see the neck here. Thus this means the move is going to remain outside Bollinger Bands. And this suggests that once it trades beyond 3340, 50, you can expect 3370 as well. And right now I can say this could become a reversal sign if the price is trades below 3300 and 3280. You can say this is a breakout below 3280. It is going to correct sharp on the downside. Stochastic rising, MACD is rising, RSI is rising. Signs are still encouraging and supportive of further bullishness. Coming to 3 hour, on the 3 hour chart, similar observation here. See consistently higher highs, higher lows, nice bullish channel. Look at the formation, rise, retracement, rise, retracement. Now this is looking forward to another round of rise before it retraces. Now on the downside, it is very important for silver to break below 3280. Then and then only you should treat this as bearish, else it is. Now see one bullish candle, a swing candle, current one starting off with higher lows. Possibly this could deliver similar size of candle. Now similar size of candle means 3350 or in fact 3370 levels. 3350, 3370 is the most critical zone on the upside for silver. If you see stochastic, this is rising. The MACD is crossing over here for the buys, trading with moderate bullishness. RSI is showing slight bullishness as well. On the 4 hour charts, you can see the support it has got from the 20 period and higher highs here. The second green candle in formation after the retracement. I will wait if it trades below 3300, 3280. That is the point of time we can confirm the reversal. But as long as 3300, 3280 is not taken, do not think of selling silver. Below 3280 is where it will fall into a correction territory. Also look at whenever it is shown a rise, it is seen a pushback from the upside, and hence we have to be careful on the upside till 3370. The stochastic at the MACD trying to cross over for the buys, the RSI is rising. Coming to daily, now on the daily chart, see silver is delivering higher lows here, and the moving averages after the crossover are trading bullish. Now this is the point here which we are looking at. This is how it has been trading retracement, higher lows, and now trying to rise. So once it trades beyond 3350, 3370 zone, we can look forward for silver to move towards 3420 at the first target. In fact, we can see 3450 and 3500, but it requires a lot much of effort for it to deliver such a breakout candle. So a possible move which it might try to show is towards this zone, which is at 3420. But the most important for silver is to break beyond 3350, 3370. That is going to be the strongest resistance on the upside. Stochastic has dropped here. The MACD is trading with moderate bullishness, and the RSI is on rise. So right now I will not treat this as bullish as long as 3370 is not taken, and then you can aspire for 3420. So now we can buy here at 3340 levels, expect 33 or rather wait for 3350 levels and wait, expect it to move towards 3370, the first target 3400, the next 3425, the third, and beyond this just stay bullish for possibly 3485, 3450, which appears a difficult target as of now. And on the downside, I will recommend a selling entry only at $33 levels. Below 33 you can take a sell. In fact, you can take a sell at 33.10 itself, but then 32.80 levels you should wait. Ideally below 32.80 is where the bears are waiting. As long as 32.80 is not taken, do not treat silver as bearish. Below 32.80 we can expect it to move towards 32.50, 32.40, and in fact towards $32 levels. Below 32 is where the bears will take over completely. Take your positions, take your trades accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries. Join the free Telegram channel for your live market updates. And join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day. Thank you.